This is your basic lab setup. So when I look at this, I can see I've got a paper box on the end, and the cart crashes into the paper box so it doesn't crash off the track to keep it safe. And I've got a photo gate here. I've got a photo gate there. The photo gate has a connector, it looks like a telephone connector, plugged into the end of the photo gate, and that wire goes down here to the Lab Pro. Then on the other photo gate, I've got another connector. It looks like a telephone connector on one side. On the other side, it's got what's called a British telephone connector. Now the connectors are really kind of cool because on one side of the Lab Pro they won't fit. They only fit on the other side. So don't force them, they only fit on one spot or another. At the end, I've got a pulley with a dangling weight over the edge, and there's a string, which you really can't see from this distance, but it's going right down here and attaching to this post on the cart. So the idea is that the weight will slow down the cart as it goes down the incline, and you've got to determine how much weight to put on there. So the cart takes a certain amount of time to go from one photo gate to the other photo gate. So the teacher's going to give you that amount of time, and that'll allow you to adjust the weight. So you start at the top of the track, and then it'll go down from one to the other, and the time will be measured on this calculator. And what you don't see here is something on the floor that you need to put down, and that's this. I call it an impact towel, but it's just a big towel. So if the weight comes off the string for some reason, and it goes down to the floor, I want to make sure it lands on something soft so the weight doesn't get injured. So land on the impact towel.